camera, but today I put it on the side because today the YouTube was flying in coach, if you will, and you guys on TikTok are flying first class, and that's how it should be because they've always treated me like, you know, um, like dirt over there at YouTube, and they didn't even put me in coach. They probably put me with the luggage on the plane, if you will. That's how badly I've been treated by YouTube. But I didn't really take offense because they were just making fun of me. But when they took it out on my friend Steve, that's one straw too far, and it's why I am done with them. Yo, what's up, user? I can't read. It's too much. Thank you so much for joining and dropping a like. You guys really make it worth it. So again, guys, if you guys like this content that I'm making, I will be back again tomorrow. I don't know exactly if there's a way to turn the screen the other way so that I can film the other way on TikTok. I'm gonna try to figure out how to do that. Because I do want to do some more live streams later on, maybe today, where I live stream and I am on behind the sticks of the Real Flight Evolution. Again, big shout out to my personal sponsor, which is Horizon Hobby, for sending me a free um, simulator so that I can do all these fun videos for you guys. And again, I'll be doing many more of these videos, some where I talk, some where I teach, some where I will be doing fun stuff, where I'll play video games for you guys. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll be doing some workout videos. I'm trying to work out a little bit more. Actually, the problem is I've been working out a little bit, and this is starting to get a little tight. This jacket is starting to get a little tight because my shoulders have gotten a bit bigger, and my forearms are getting a little bit bigger, and a bunch of things are getting bigger, and so I'm not sure how much longer I'll be able to wear this jacket, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe it'll turn into the midget version of what is it, Franco? You guys remember Arnold Schwarzenegger's best friend, Franco? Franco. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, guys, as always, thank you so much for joining me on this live stream. It has been the best live stream I've ever been on in a long, long time. In a long, long time, and we've got 46 likes here, which is amazing. It's amazing. So with that, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Again, I don't know if later on, I just really don't know how TikTok works as well. Maybe we'll do some invites and stuff like that in future. I just don't really know how this stuff works. We'll figure it out as we go along. But here we are, guys, the heroes of the universe, as you will, because I'm a small guy. I'm a small guy.